What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a project that I feel like definitely has the potential to be worth a lot more, especially in the age that we're living in crypto, right? Crypto is all about a couple of things, right? We have meme coins, you have utility coins, you have AI coins, you have the metaverse, you have gaming, right? You have all these different sectors here. And honestly, a lot of people believe that gaming and the metaverse and being immersed in those virtual worlds is going to be kind of the main focus of what we see within crypto, the main money driver into cryptocurrency. So if you have some sort of token, if you have some sort of project that's building in that space, in that world, you know that they're going to be worth a lot eventually. So I want to talk about a project, Fifthscape, that I think we need to look through all the different detail that they do have because there's a lot that's going for it. And it is something early stages to where they haven't launched yet, and you're going to see probably massive returns. Again, this is not 100% a sure thing, but we know that gaming is popular. Like you look at Beam and you look at Gala and you look at so many other projects that are in the gaming space, but not like this. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out all of the links for Fifthscape, I'll provide all of those links at the top of the description. But first, I think we should check out their Twitter. If you guys want to, go and see what they're all about, it's always great to go over to the Twitter because you'll get their website. You'll get all their different tweets, the things that are coming with them. So go and follow them on Twitter. They currently have 11,200 followers with a business check mark. So you know that things are serious. But Fifthscape, your gateway to the next big thing of the decade. World's first AR and VR ecosystem that connects the smartest minds together. So you have VR games, you have VR movies, VR education, VR devices that you can purchase. So you have all these different things that are associated with the virtual world, right? Being immersed in that virtual world, or having more of an augmented reality where it's kind of a mixture of both, right? I love my headsets that I have, and I would love to have some sort of larger implementation of cryptocurrency within it as well. Now, right now, you can buy Fifthscape if you go over to the website. Again, click that link down below. But this round ends in 2 days. So, 2 days and 18 hours. And right now you have 1.7 million that has been raised. The target for this round is 2.5 million. Currently, the price is sitting at or how much you would pay for it or how much you would get, right? So it's 0.002 or 21% of a penny, and the listing price is supposed to be 1 cent. Next price will be 0.00248. So looking at 24% of a penny instead of 21% of a penny, which would be a 15% increase. As you see the listing price, it would be a 365% increase right at listing. But we know that if we are going to see these bigger things that are implemented there, then you're going to see a lot further of a price. Now, token supply, which we will get into a little bit later, 5.2 billion, and the market cap at listing is supposed to be 15 million. Beyond boundaries, infinite, virtually infinite. Unlock the limitless potential of the virtual realm with Fifthscape, where immersive experiences redefine boundaries and shape the future of entertainment and education. Experience hyper-realistic game world of reality, of virtual reality. Dive into diverse array of gaming experiences, from adrenaline pumping battles to precision archery, high-speed racing, and immersive sports. You can see here that what I've definitely been more intrigued with, and my eye has definitely been drawn to, is Cage Conquest, where it's MMA style fighting instead of seeing like the boxing games that I play on the Meta Quest. You see this, which is definitely something that's going to be a different experience where you have boxing, grappling, all these other things that you could possibly do within this, and also have a form of exercise, which is good as well. Thrust Hunter, you have Immersive Kickoff, Archery Master, and Epic Cricket Arena. Cage Conquest, you're going to see that if you go into the video there. Again, they have a lot of information. I don't want to spend too much time on one thing. Step into the immersive world of Cage Conquest, where dynamic combat takes center stage in authentic arenas. Embark on the champion's journey, honing your skills through strategic training to conquer online championships. Experience the thrill of victory in VR. So you can join the wait list on that as well. Enter a realm of heightened experiences. You have stunning visuals. So you have the VR Ultra headset, where you have stunning visual realism. You have comfortable ergonomics, precise motion tracking, and intuitive controls. The seamless integration into VR experiences. You have the SwiftScape VR chair, ergonomic design, swift motion support, premium materials, immersive experience. And you see how that does look, obviously. I'm interested in it, right? Token rewards far beyond traditional staking. You have staggering growth, as virtual reality redefines entertainment, sees the opportunity for substantial appreciation, propelling your investment to new heights. Lifetime free access, exclusive in-game advantages, early access, and community interaction. Now you have the Fifthscape Tokenomics. So within the allocation, right? So within the allocation here, you have 10% that's going to treasury and development, 10% towards liquidity, 80% towards the pre-sale, which is definitely a good thing to see. Majority of it go towards that pre-sale. That's fantastic. You've seen projects that only put like 10% towards things. But phase one, they're looking to, launch, the pre-sale launch, community development, the trailer of Cage Conquest. You have phase two, which Cage Conquest releases, which is in Q2. So, you're seeing this all happen pretty quickly there. Trailer for Epic Arena, community growth. And then you have a token listing on phase three. Coin market cap, CoinGecko listing, trailer, immersive kickoff. And then you have phase four, where you have the trailer for Archery, trailer for, Thrust Hunter, private funding, Epic Arena release. So you have all this. You do have a event, right, which will be January. Or you did have an event on January 2024, on the 17th and the 19th there. So you see all the experiences with the actual device, with the headset, and utilizing some software as well. You can meet the team. You can go here and check this out. They are doxed. You see who the team is, which is definitely a plus as well in a new project. But some of the more popular questions and answers. What is Fifthscape project aiming to achieve? The Fifthscape project aims to create a comprehensive VR and AR ecosystem, encompassing hardware, software, and content. We want to provide seamless integration between these elements and foster a community-driven platform for the future of immersive realities. Again, huge. What type of content is Fifthscape planning for its platform? Fifthscape is currently focusing on VR games, but the project will also encompass other forms of VR and AR content, such as educational experiences, social applications, and creative tools. What role of Fifthscape? We'll go through one more. What role of Fifthscape and what is the role of Fifthscape token in the Fifthscape project, which is always great to know, to have that breakdown. The Fifthscape token is a utility token within the ecosystem. It grants access to premium VR content, voting rights, and potential staking opportunities for holders. So everybody always wants to know how the token is going to be implemented there, because you have the product, you have the design, you have everything that's going for it, and then you have the token, right? So how does that fully get implemented? So anyways, Fifthscape honestly looks really, really good. You can go and check out the community, go and check out the Twitter account, but they have a lot of information for you to go over. videos as well if you want to check that out. But again, I didn't want to make this video super long, but feel free to go ahead and look at that. You can go and check how to buy buy the token here. So connect your wallet, select your payment, and go on about the process. Very, very simple. You could do it with ETH. You could do it with whatever the USD cost actually is. So yeah, feel free to go ahead and check that out and connect your wallet and be a part of the pre-sale at a very, very low price. Guys, let me know what you think about this project. I'm a big fan of gaming. Again, I have 2 virtual reality headsets, and maybe I'll have 3 at this point. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Fifth Escape, feel free to check out those links down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.